DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making a mosaic mirror and we're using Americana Decor outdoor living paints. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make a mosaic mirror. Americana Decor outdoor living paints come in a ton of different colors and they're perfect for all of your outdoor projects and projects just like this. So head out and pick your favorite colors and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.